Hello my dear students, welcome to this next video. Here we are doing a problem which was asked in 2016 GATE question number 41, and it is based on the subject numerical analysis. So it's a very simple problem. It's like one line. So they are asking you what are the number of roots of this equation in this interval, right? So generally we know that if we have a polynomial, then we can tell something about the number of roots. So some students think that this is a polynomial. This is not a polynomial because you have cos x function here. So this is a transcendental function. So this is not a polynomial equation. So how we can do this? So because you see you have x square minus cos x. So best way here is graphical method, because you can easily plot the graph of x square and cos x, right? So basically, because we are looking for the roots of x square minus cos x is equal to 0 on the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, right? So that will give us x square is equal to cos x, right? So now we want to know how many roots are there. So we can plot these two graphs. So if I plot the graph of y is equal to x square and y is equal to cos x, so then a root of this equation means these two graphs intersect, right? So intersection point of these two graphs, if I can find somehow, then they will tell me how many roots are there, right? So now I know that what is the graph of y is equal to x square look like. So this is a parabola. In fact, it is an upward parabola. So we can make it like this. And then we also know what is the graph of y is equal to cos x. So that is something like this, right? And you can see very easily from minus pi by 2 pi by 2, it like these two graphs are meeting at 2 points. So there are exactly two roots of this particular equation in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So you see how easy this problem was. Thank you for watching. If you have any problem, please write in the comment box. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel. Happy learning.